and welcome back to my channel. My name is Safira, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing this fresh, clean spring makeup look. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Step 1 before applying any makeup is making sure your face is well moisturized, because applying makeup on a dry, non-prepped skin, I don't know how that's gonna turn out. So make sure your face is well moisturized and ready for makeup. Step 1 is brows, and I'm gonna be using some edge control to set my brows in place. So I'm just brushing them in the way I want them to lay. I'm taking my edge control and I'm just applying a tiny bit on the back of my hand, like this, right here, just a little bit. And I'm taking my spoolie to grab some product. With the product on the spoolie, I'm just brushing my brows upwards first. And this is to make sure that my brows are gonna stay in place all day long. You can also use a normal brow gel if you have one, but in my opinion, edge control works the same way. So yeah, brushing them up first, and then I'm going on top and just, I don't know how to explain this, but just shape your brows in the way you want them to go. So for me, this is it. And then my other brow as well. Okay, so this is what my brows are looking like. I'm cleaning the back of my hand immediately because I cannot handle product on my hands, so constantly cleaning them. And I'm just wiping the top and bottom of my brow to get rid of the excess edge control. It's time for the skin now, and I'm using my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in, this is the satin finish one, in the shade Deep Olive, and this is my favorite concealer ever. I'm gonna spot conceal the blemishes on my face, and like I just said, this is my favorite concealer ever. It's so cheap, and for this cheap concealer, the coverage is amazing, so love that. And yeah, if you are looking for a new concealer and you don't want to spend a lot of money, I definitely recommend this one. And they also have this in the matte finish, but I like the satin finish more. So this is what it looks like, and it's time to buy a new one for me, as you can see. But yeah, bomb. I'm using my concealer brush to blend out the concealer I just applied, like this. And as you can see, I try not to drag out the product while blending. I'm more focusing on like tapping the product into my skin to get the most coverage out of the product as possible. That's a great tip I learned from the YouTube girls. So tap and pat the product in place and don't drag too much. Okay, now time for some liquid bronzer, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F16. And I'm gonna be bronzing my face with this. For this look, you want to focus on using cream and liquid products instead of using powders to get the like dewy and fresh look. So that's what I'm doing. Liquid bronzer first. Because I need some color in my face. I honestly need to go on vacation, so I don't have to do this, but for now fine. And again, I'm gonna be tapping and patting the product in place, and try not to drag the product out too much.
Ring, ring, ring. Postman. What is? Telephone call from your car, he said it's slick. Go to young lord, he said Barry, he legit. Money in a young boy, he kinda off the shit. Young long, them boys out of Harlem, for the sick. This is Goshen. Man, I pay for pussy. No, sir. Ride a coaster. Roller coaster.
Now I'm taking my the brush I normally use for foundation, and I'm just blending this liquid bronzer out to make sure I don't have any harsh lines on my face, and everything is blended out the way it needs to be blended. Take your time on blending out your makeup, because you can apply the best product on your face, but if you don't blend it out the right way, it's gonna look a mess. And it doesn't matter how expensive or inexpensive the product is, if it's not applied correctly, you're gonna look a mess. So yeah, just take your time with blending out your product, because we want to make sure we look bomb. Now it's time to do something about these under eyes, and I'm using my e.l.f. concealer again, and I'm not gonna apply too much, just a little bit here in the inner corner and the outer corner. Same thing on this eye. And that's it. Now I'm taking my drugstore concealer and I'm doing the same thing. This is just a lighter shade. Inner corner, outer corner, same thing.
Make this shit, I wear this shit, they cop this shit, it's gawky, bitch, you niggas trippin', I'm a businessman, you ain't never been the man, nigga tax bracket change like have you seen my home, crib got a tennis court, get my Venus and Serena on, golf in this bitch, better ring the doctor, ambulance come when I hit the scene, that boy fly in a bag of bees, I got my flowers, life's a jeweler, diamond finger, size of a tumor, he's a genius, have you heard the rumors, he's a winner, no not a loser, fuck passing blood, plus my niggas hot for tuna, tease, goddamn, I'm hot man, I'm not scared to freeze. January, Hawaiian shirts. Boy, this weather ain't got a thing on me. Where's the mirror? I'm that nigga. Q ain't got much shit on me. Cause I'm a master. I hit my own back to be like y'all boys, my nigga. Fuck that. It's go, bitch.
Again, taking my old concealer foundation brush, making sure that everything is blended because we don't want to look crazy. Time for blush, and I'm using my Essence Lip and Cheek color in the shade Rose Body, and this is what it looks like. It's a super cute shade, and I'm using my fluffy brush, but I'm taking my nails and just pressing the brush together like this so I can get a more precise application. And honestly, I need to go makeup brush shopping. The ones I've been using, I've had these brushes for some years now, and it's time for some new ones, so I gotta get me some. I'm using this blush and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheek and blending it upwards like this. And I use a lot of blush. I like blush. Blush makes the whole look come together and gives this like fresh, I don't know, it just does something, so I like blush. I always apply some blush on my nose as well. I just think it looks cute, so can't forget that. Some blush on the eyes, why not? Okay, that's enough. Time to set my under eyes, and for that I'm using the Black Opal Soft Velvet Finishing Powder in the shade Medium. And I'm not setting my whole face because I want to keep this look like dewy. So I'm just setting my under eyes. Where is my mirror? Can't see anything. I could pretend you was my man, nigga, but you know just how that feel. Out of my way, you out of pocket, vision, boy. Can't trust decision, we can hear me. Now for highlight, I just use this gold eyeshadow. Super ghetto, but it works, so I don't care. I'm using this gold eyeshadow from this Essence Bronze This Way eyeshadow palette. And my nose. I'm also going to apply some in the inner corners of my eye, like this. Yeah, that's cute. To set my face, I use the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist, and I'm just spraying it on my face. It smells so good. For mascara, I use the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. This is the red one. You also have a green one as well. These two mascaras are my favorites. Also very cheap, but they work amazing. So get it if you can. Last step is lip gloss, and I use this Essence Clear Lip Gloss. This one is amazing as well. Essence is so good and so cheap, so check them out. This is one of my favorite lip glosses, and it's so good. It lasts a while. It's nice and thick, and the shine is amazing, so I'm obsessed. And that's it. This is the look. Let me give you guys a little close-up. Super cute, natural, and glowy. This is what I'm gonna be wearing this spring and summer, so very cute. It's not too much, but you still look presentable. If you want to go somewhere and look cute, you can do this look. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to thumbs up, comment something down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on upcoming videos. And that's it. So I will see you guys in next week's video.